Hi, this is Chris Lavin from XPS Xpress, and I'm here today with Juan from XPS Xpress Houston and soon to be XPS Xpress Austin.
Austin, Texas.
And he's also the owner of a company called Era Epoxy, which is an installation company over in the Houston marketplace. It's been there for 5 years.
Yep.
And exceeding beyond its wildest dreams. The reason why we're doing this video is to talk to you about a business opportunity of a lifetime to become an actual business owner of an XPS Xpress store.
Okay.
Right, so you started your business how long ago as an XPS Xpress store?
We're going on 1.5 years, I believe, Derek. Yeah, we were going on 1.5 years.
Okay, and how have you found it so far?
It's fun. It's fun. I mean, we're selling. There's a lot of people looking for materials, tooling. It's great.
You're able to teach and train people?
Oh yeah. I mean, we're teaching everybody. I mean, there's people coming in looking for flakes, the metallics, the pigments. Our support system is great. We answer everybody's questions. There's a team. Whenever you go XPS, I mean, Chris, his whole team is always there to support. I mean, it's a win-win. Right,
so no matter where you're at, if you are in a major metropolitan market, okay, and you're interested in getting into a distribution business, contact the phone number below here on the screen, okay? I'm gonna walk you through it. We'll send you what the projections are for your area, and we're gonna help drive business into your store.
Into the store, yes.
That's the whole key, is
Most
to
definitely.
get customers in the store so you're doing transactions. But I can only tell you as an entrepreneur, there are very little businesses that are gonna have such a low startup cost, you know what I'm saying, and be making money right away. I mean, maybe not right away, but within the first 6 months, you start to see profits and you cut off the bleeding.
Most definitely. First 6 months, we started seeing it. I mean, for us being in the Houston market, we've seen it pretty quick. I mean, store opened, we gave it 2 months, and it started rolling. I mean, it's rolling out.
Right. So, I mean, if you're going to be thinking about opening up a restaurant, okay, you're going to have a huge upfront investment, and then you're just going to hope that you can sell your food and that your food is accepted, okay? But with the epoxy, it's a blown up market right now.
It's growing.
There's only 2% of all garages that are covered with epoxy, so there's 98% left. Underneath every roof, there's concrete, and seamless floors are definitely the floor of the future.
Most definitely.
So contact us below. Thanks for your time, okay? And the best of success to everybody.